Good day, favorites. Welcome back. It is your favorite tutor on physics. Okay, still on elastic properties of solid. Today we'll be talking about Young modulus of elasticity. Young modulus. Young modulus, it is the ratio of the tensile stress on a material to the tensile strain on it. So, Young modulus is what? Stress over what? The strain. Okay, it is assumed so long provided that the elastic limit of the material is not what exceeded. The stress, the stress is the force per unit area on the material. Force over what? Area. Of course, the force in what Newton by area in what meter square. So therefore the unit of the stress is what Newton per meter what square. While for the strain, the strain The strain is defined as the material response to the applied force. Material response to the applied force, therefore extension over what? Original what? Length. Extension, meter, while original, the length in what? Meter. So therefore, the strain is a what? A dimensionless what? Quantity. Or the extension in meter, length in what? Meter. Meter, we cancel out what? Meter makes this what? Unit, this quantity dimensionless. It has no what? Unit. Okay, so therefore we can see that Young modulus is equals to what? Force over what? Area all over what? Extension over what? Length. The Young modulus force over what? Area divided by what? Extension over what? Length. Young modulus, this is what? Force over what? Area. We change the sign. Length over extension. Young modulus. Therefore, is what? Force, length, area, extension. And is what? Calculated in what? Newton per meter what? Squared. Newton per meter squared. The force in what? Newton. The area in what? Meter squared. This is length in meter, extension in meter. Meter will cancel out meter. So Young modulus is calculated in what? Newton per meter square. Okay. All right. I have a question on the board. We are going to solve this question. It says a wire of length 2.00 meter and radius 1.0 millimeter is stretched by 25.0 millimeter on application of a force of 10 raised to the power of 3 Newton. Calculate the Young modulus of the wire. Solution. All right, a wire of what length? So therefore, the original length of the wire is what 2.00 what meter, and radius. Radius is what 1.0 millimeter. Is stretched by 25.0 millimeters. All right, 25.0 millimeter is the what the extension. This is what 25.0 millimeter. Okay, on application of a force. The force is what 10 raised to the power of 3 watts Newton. Okay, these are the what? The parameters, and we are looking for what? Young modulus. Okay, these are the parameters. We bring out the parameters, and then we check if these parameters are in their respective units. Length in what? Meter. Check. Radius should be in what? Meter. Radius is also part of length. Should be in meter. Right here is in what? Millimeter. So therefore we convert to what? Meter. Divided by what? 1000. So therefore the radius is what? 0.001 meter. Okay, extension in what? Millimeter. We convert to what? Meter. We divide by 1000. This will be 0.025 meter. Then the force, therefore, is 10 raised to the power of 3 Newton, is something as what? 1000 Newton. And of course, we are looking for what? Young modulus. Young modulus is equal to what? The stress over what? Strain. Stress over what? Strain. Okay, first let us get the stress. Stress is what? Force over what? Area. So what is the force? The force is what? 1000 Newton over what? The area. Area. Okay, we don't actually have area here, but we have radius. So therefore, we are using area of a circle. Pi radius square. Okay, this is what? 1000 over pi. Let's use 3.142 as pi. Then radius is 0.001 raised to the power of what? 2. So what is the stress? The stress of the material is going to be 3.18 times 10 raised to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Okay, this is the word stress. All right, let us look for the word strain. We have the stress. Check. Let's move on to what? Strain. Strain, extension over what? Length. So what is the extension? The extension is what? The extension is 0.025, and the length, which is the original length, is what? 2. So therefore, what is the strain? The strain is going to be 0.0125. Is a dimensionless what? Unit quantity, so therefore we leave it like that. Okay, we have the what? The strain. Check. So therefore, Young modulus is equal to what? Stress over what? Strain. So that gives us the stress. What is the stress? 3.18 times 10 raised to the power of what? 8. All over what? The strain. The strain is 0.0125. So what is the Young modulus? Young modulus is going to be 2.54 times 10 raised to the power of what? 10 Newton per meter square. All right, favorites, we have come to the end of this what? Episode. Please take your time, you can go through it again and again and again. And please don't forget, Young modulus, stress over what? Strain. The stress is force over area in what? Meter, Newton per meter square, and the strain is what? Extension over length. Okay, this. Okay, and strain is what? A dimensionless what? Quantity. All right, I remain your what? Favorite tutor. Make sure you subscribe to the words to the channel for more videos. Thank you and God bless you.